Hey guys, it's Rob Timber where we do how-tos, reviews, and just talk about life stuff. I don't know about you guys, but something's bugging me about my Tesla. And I don't really have a lot of things that bug me about it. One thing I definitely have to admit is the thought of putting a drilled front license plate on the front of my car, not happening. The thought about putting an adhesive on the front, also not happening. So I've been going around trying to find a legitimate front mount, legitimate being keyword, because a lot of those, it's not happening. Just look at the mount, doesn't fit, it's falling off, your license plate's on the ground on a highway, and there's no way I'm not doing any of that stuff's not happening, right? So going across, trying to find some of the good reviews. I went on Teslarati, probably be one of the biggest sites to go on anyway. But I like to kind of look at everything to see what I'm really going to get into. Because everyone's going to say something's good, right? So review after review after review, I kept seeing Quick Bandit come up as a good solution. So we got the Quick Bandit right here. We're going to kind of go through it and see if I'm going to be disappointed or if you're going to make a follow-up video where I'm like, let me try something else. So setup seems pretty straightforward. There's going to be a V-bar in the middle. You can see that. So that's going to go right on the center point. I can't really say a grill, but kind of a grill divider. Kind of different function electric vehicles. I mean, still need air for the battery, right? And then it's just going to clamp in. And in my case, I'm a little paranoid, so I'm going to put a screw in also to kind of keep the mount in. That would be mounted to the front. So it's going to mount right in the grill and sit in front of the vehicle. So it should be about this much space. That way I won't lose it because I don't have that jank just sitting right on the front. I'm not putting adhesive on my car. I'm not drilling any holes. I mean, I can't really argue with that. So hopefully everything works great, and then I won't have to make another review saying I need something else because this didn't work out. So we're going to kind of get all the tools and stuff ready. I'll see you guys in a second, and we'll get everything going. So here's up front. I can't see myself messing up. I can't do it. So we're gonna try to set everything up, see how this goes.